Welcome students. Central government has reduced the portion of their schools by 30% due to the pandemic of COVID-19. Our Maharashtra government also has taken the initiative of reducing the portion of the schools by 25%. Here in this video I am going to present you the 25% reduced portion for the 10th Science 2. Myself Kavita Kobarne is going to present the video. 25% reduction of the syllabus. We will just see page by page. First, we will start with the lesson number 1, that is heredity and evolution. On that page, the last one line only is omitted. Wherever it is there, that because of COVID, it is omitted. So either you write there COVID or you can cut that full line with the pencil over there. Because your books are going to get used by the next year student. So instead of spoiling, we can write it with the pencil. So it is easy for the next year student to rub it off. Okay, so here only one line they have given, that is to be omitted, that is there is a uracil in RNA instead of thymine on in DNA. Now come to the next page number 3 directly. On the page number 3, a full paragraph is omitted here, that is at present from here to here till here, this full passage is omitted from your syllabus. So you just write there COVID or you can cut it with the pencil. Come to the page number 4 directly then. On the page number 4 also they have given can you tell and the use of ICT, that is omitted. In this you will find it out, or in all the lessons use of ICT is omitted wherever it is possible. So here also on page number 5 the use of ICT it is omitted. Come to the page number 8 directly. Now in between nothing is given there to omit it out. Page number 8 also, on that the scientists are given to you, that is the Darwin's information regarding the Darwin is there, then the Lamarck is there, and then below that the internet use it is there. The internet is my friend. So these three topics are omitted on this page. Now on the next page, page number 9, they have omitted the syllabus, omitted this figure, but they have given that you have to just observe the figure and you should be able to just write the information of evolution of human beings by seeing the figures. As like in the English you are doing, same thing you should able to just read it. Whatever the syllabus is omitted, that is for totally self-study. Okay, you have to do it, keep it in your mind there. Then page number, directly come to the page number 12, that is the next lesson, lesson number 2, life process in living organisms. Here also the first one, that is the recall. Can you recall all the 5-7 questions? That is omitted, they are cancelled. Then on the last of that page, that is use your brain power. Can you recall? That is cancelled. Next one on the next page, you can see here the diagram was given that we used to give it in the exam for labeling purpose. Now this you have to do just the self-study, and this is also omitted. Below that the questions are given, can you tell? These questions are also omitted. That is just totally for the self-study there. Next one is come to the page number 15. Again, there the scientist is there, that information is given, that is also omitted. Then come to the page number 16. On the 16 page number also, can you tell? On the top of it you can see here, can you tell? That is omitted. Then always remember, that is omitted. Can you recall? That is not omitted actually, that is given in the syllabus, it is as it is. Then page number 17, internet is my friend, that portion is omitted. Here, can you tell? That is omitted. Then here nothing is there, 18, 19 pages and 20. On page number 20, near about full page is omitted here. Just try this activity. During the practicals, the teacher is expected to explain the things. Then here also use your brain power. During the practicals, they should explain it. And here the use of ICT and book are my friend, that is omitted from your syllabus there. Now after page number 20, directly come to the page number 22. That is again the next lesson, social lesson number 3. On that also, can you recall? That is omitted from your syllabus, that you have to do just the self-study on your own. You have to just go through it, read it over there. Then come to the page number 24. On page number 24, one paragraph is omitted, that is the fragmentation. In that the second paragraph is there, that second paragraph here, whenever till the icon, this paragraph is omitted from your syllabus. Come to the next page, that is again try this activity here. This one is omitted from your syllabus. It is expected the teacher should explain it during the practicals wherever possible. Next, on the page number 26, here again let's think that two questions are there, that is omitted from your syllabus. Then page number 27, here the description of the male parts is given. Okay, it is previously studied, so that is not required, so it is omitted from here. This full paragraph it is omitted. Diagram is there, it can be come in the exam for labeling. Then did you know, that is omitted. Then use of the ICT, that is also omitted. Next one on page number 28, you can see here on the top of it, it is given here again an activity, try this, that is omitted there. Then the can you recall, it is given, so that question is also omitted from your syllabus. On the next page number 29, on page number 29, some surprising facts are given here, that is omitted from your syllabus. Then on page number 30 you can come. On page number 30, both the topics are omitted. Do you know, that is omitted, and development and the birth of the child or a baby, it is given, that is omitted from your syllabus here. Then on next page number 31, can you tell, the topic is omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the page number 33 directly. On page number 33 also again, internet is my friend, that point is omitted from your syllabus. On the last page of this lesson, page number 34, that full page is omitted. Exercise is there, but that paragraph which is giving some diseases, that full paragraph is omitted. Do you know, that topic is omitted from your syllabus. Then page number next one 36, that is the lesson number 4 of your syllabus. There also, can you recall, think and answer, that is omitted from your syllabus. Can you recall, that is also omitted. Here the flow chart is given. This flow chart actually it is based on the 9th standard syllabus. So these flow charts, wherever the flow charts are there, that is omitted, and that is expected to just revise it. You have to go through it and you have to revise it. Page number 38, there also, can you recall, this one is omitted. Then here also the flow chart is given. This is omitted, but expected part is that you have to just know it. You should revise it over it. No questions will be asked on it in the exam. Here also on page number 39, the fill in the blanks or the complete the table or chart is there, that will not be asked in the exam. So that is for full self study. So these questions based on that will not be asked. Next page, it is the do you know, that is about the radioactive pollution. This full paragraph, that is also omitted. A peek into history, that full paragraph is omitted. And the COVID, here complete the chart, it is there. So because of the COVID, this complete the chart is also omitted from your syllabus. So near about this paragraph is there from this page only to read. On the next page also the same thing, page number 41. On this, all these topics are omitted. Do you know, let's discuss, internet is my friend, always remember. These all are omitted, only this topic is kept over there, because this is essential, means it is our social responsibility that we should know, that's why it is kept. Then on the page number 42, here the information about a man was given. Okay, so that is omitted. Then on the next page you can see page number 43, how can the biodiversity be conserved, this paragraph, this page. On this one is omitted. Here the voluntary and international environmental organization, their names it is given, that is also omitted from your syllabus. So they are not going to ask you the names of this. Then here think and answer, page number 44 it is. So page number 44, here the chart is given, that you have to think and answer. Any question can be asked to you, but this is also omitted from your syllabus. Page number 45, here also on the top of it, it is given, can you recall a little, that is omitted. Okay, then here the information, do you know, it is omitted. Always remember is omitted. And this think, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Here the activity is there and the last of this chapter, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Next to the next lesson, new lesson we are going to start, that is towards the green energy. In that also the first one, that make a table, that is omitted from your syllabus. Can you recall, that 3 questions, that also is omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the page number 49 directly. On the page number 49, the paragraph is given here that after conversion from there till the last, that is, it suffers from certain problems. This one is also omitted here. The ICT, use of ICT is there, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Page number 50, the table, do you know, that is omitted from your syllabus. On the next page you can see the internet is my friend, that is also omitted. Here in the last it is given compare, that is also just omitted. So maximum of the syllabus is reduced, and now you have to do the normal study. For the scoring purpose it is very easy for you now. Come to the page number 53 directly. 53 full page is omitted. Here the towards environment friendly energy, that is given, that is also omitted. Here the electric energy generation and environment, it is given some points, that is also omitted. Here only hydroelectricity is remaining, that is on the next page it is continued, so that is going to ask. On the next page, page number 54, here again use your brain power, that is omitted. Page number 55, do you know, find out, this is omitted from your syllabus. Now page number 456, here the diagram of the wind turbines are there of different capacity it is there. So this also is omitted. Here information collection, that is omitted. Here page number 57 full one, that is of the series parallel and the series connections of solar cells, that is totally omitted from your syllabus. You have to just read it and discuss in the class, because that is the alternative source of electricity for us. Next one is on page number 58. Here again find out, you have to collect the information, that is also omitted. Page number 59 here, that is do you know, that full paragraph box, it is omitted in the from the syllabus. Next one is the classification of human classification is there of the living things, it is there. So this we have done at 9th standard also, so it is expected you have to just go through this and you have to revise it only, okay, for your remembering, or you have to do the further study of it. So basic you have to remember this, that is also omitted from the, is the question used to come, complete the table, that question will not come on this only. Then the history of animal classification topic is there, that is also omitted. Here the traditional method of animal classification, non-core data, that is expected, that also is omitted from syllabus. Next page number 63, the last paragraph is there, this one you can see here, this one, this is omitted from your syllabus. Now page number 64, again the grades of organization full topic, that is omitted. It is not expected to learn this, okay, for the in the syllabus. Here also the labeling diagram is there, okay, previously the diagram is to give and the label you have to do it. So this you have to just do the study, this will not come in the exam. Come to the next page number 66. On page number 66 also body cavity full topic is omitted. Here this full topic is omitted from your syllabus. Next page number 67, nothing is there. 68, the do you know, that is 69, here do you know, and 69 internet is my friend, that is omitted. On that same page here get information, that is not there in your syllabus. Along with me, if you have the book, you can just keep on writing these things, or otherwise you can pause the video and just write it down in your books. On page number 70 here, let's think, surprising facts and books are my friend, that is not there in your syllabus. Page number 71, again do you know, that is not there. Then come to the next one, that is page number 74. On page number 74, use your brain power, it is. So there also you put a tick mark, no, not in use for the exam, okay, not going to ask anything on that. Here also the use of ICT it is, so that is also not there in your syllabus. Now the next one, 7th chapter we have to do. 7th chapter, in that here the last paragraph it is there, that is not there in the syllabus. They have cut down this due to COVID. Now this syllabus what they have cut it, that is just maybe just reliable for doing the self-study. So that's why they have just omitted out the syllabus, that it is expected you have to do the self-study. and the rest of the syllabus which they have kept it, it means it is related to your next future classes over there, so it is kept. Okay, page number 78. Again, let's think and do you know, not there in your syllabus. It is page number 80 directly. Page number on the page number 80, here the table is given, that is production of the beverages, the fruits, microbes and all. This food table is not expected, so you need not to do the study, so questions will not be asked to you, but for your information you can keep it. Next one on page number 81 also, use your brain power and search. Both the topics are cancelled. Page number 82, again, can you tell, that is cancelled from your syllabus. Page number 83, let's think. We have to observe this and you have to think and give the answers, so that is also omitted from your syllabus. Page number 84, can you tell, this one, these questions here, the two questions only is there, rest of the things it is just an explanation, that is omitted. Here on page number next, internet that collect the information, that is omitted from your syllabus. So like this, many of the chapters, many of the syllabus, hard topics, it is omitted. Simple one is kept for you. Next, come to the next lesson, lesson number 8, cell biology and technology. In that, can you recall, it is omitted. On page number 89, these two paragraphs are there, top one. These two paragraphs are omitted, plus use your brain power. Here the question is there, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Cancelled from your syllabus, we can see here. Okay, page number 90, the last one, internet is my friend, that is exempted, that is not going to ask. On the next page you can see here, always remember, that is here not asked. Recall a little bit, that will not be asked to you in the exams, so your work has reduced a lot. Then the development of the biotechnology in India, on page number 92 it is. So this portion also is not there in your syllabus. Next one is page number, we can come to the page number 95. On that, here the table is there, that is giving the information regarding the proteins. Here internet is my friend and the peeking into the history. These topics are omitted from your syllabus. Page number 96, you can come. Page number 96 also, cleaning of oil spillage in the ocean. This full paragraph is omitted. Page number 97, that is collect information and internet is my friend. These two topics not there in your syllabus. Next one, the lesson is over here. We will see the next lesson, lesson number 9, that is the social health. It is a general lesson. Okay, so this we should just know it, though it is omitted, but it is required, at least little bit of knowledge you should have it. So here page number 101, the chart is given, you have to observe it. Some questions are mostly asked on this, but now this will not be there. You have to just do the self study of it at home only. So you have to keep some things in your mind. On page number 103, the pictures are given to you. Here the picture is given, that lady is just scolding that old man, maybe any reason, whatever it is there, so that is omitted here. Then the this compare on the in the last page, on the same page, and the last one it is there, you have to compare the routines, that is also omitted. Page number 104, here 104 also, let's recall a little bit, that is omitted from your syllabus. Here page number 105, internet is my friend and the cyber crime, that you all know very well, so that is all omitted from your syllabus. Page number 106, do you know, full paragraph is omitted. Then page number 107, always remember, this one is omitted from your syllabus. Now we are coming to the end, that is the last lesson, lesson number 10. Okay, in that again, can you recall, that is omitted. On the next page 110, near about everything, here this page to observe and you have to write, that is omitted. Page number 111, complete the chart, that is not there in the syllabus, use your brain power. In the last it is, that is also omitted for your convenience, it is there. Page number 113, you can see the objectives of the disaster management, that is also omitted. Then Come to the next one, page number 115. On 115, it is the structure of the Disaster Management Authority. That is also omitted for your syllabus. Next one is the 116. Internet is my friend. Who does what? These two topics, they are omitted from your syllabus. Then 117, again the flow charts. If you have observed that mostly all the flow charts are exempted from your syllabus. Here the diagram is given, you have to answer the questions based on that. That is also reduced, that is cancelled here for yourself. Page number 118, on that also the table is given, that is the necessary material in first aid box. So it is quite obvious, everyone knows it very well. So this portion, this thing is omitted from the syllabus. Now always remember, here it is, in that also some of the topics are covered, that is omitted from your syllabus. So like this we come to the end of it. The portion is 25% reduced for it. Now it is very convenient for you to do the good study of it, and whatever is omitted you have to just at least do the self study, though it is not going to ask in the exam, but for our knowledge we should do the study of all these things. Thanks for listening. Thanks students for watching the video, and stay home, stay safe, take care of yours and your family.